I'm thankful for my support system and all my friends and family, and I'm thankful for basketball.
I'm thankful for my friends and my family.
Okay, I'm thankful for food and just life in general. Yes.
I'm thankful for my family and my friends, my new friend.
I'm thankful for my family.
I'm thankful for my best friends.
I'm thankful for my books. Mostly, I like reading a lot.
I'm thankful for a roof over my head.
I'm thankful for my parents and what they do for me.
I'm thankful for my food.
I'm thankful that I can get food on my plate.
I'm thankful for having my dad always there for every time, and my little brother and my whole family tree.
I'm thankful for Olivia.
I'm thankful for my family, for my friends, and that I met these two.
I'm thankful for my dog and these two people right here. Oh, and my dog.
And my dog.
I'm thankful for my friend Riley.
I'm thankful for my friend Rhea. I'm thankful for my family and friends.
I'm thankful for everybody that's here.
I'm thankful for my mom and my brother and my dad.
I'm thankful for all my school friends.
I want to say I'm thankful for all my friends right here, wonderful people who help me to achieve my goals and do the best I can. Thank you. I love you guys.
I want to say I'm thankful for this man right here and all these people around me. And I'm thankful for our school community.
What I'm thankful for is for my family, my friends, and for this school. It's a really great blessing to be in this school. I've been here since 6th grade.
I'm thankful for my friend Alice. I'm thankful for my friend Natalia.
I'm very thankful for all my friends, and yeah.
We're thankful for good friends.
I'm thankful for Natasha's basketball skills.
I'm thankful for my family.
I'm thankful for Scholars Academy School.
We're thankful for friends.
I'm thankful for my family and friends.
I'm thankful for my dog because he helps me relax when I'm stressed.
I'm grateful for my great education.
I'm grateful for my family and friends.
I'm thankful for my friends and family.
So I'm thankful for my family and my friends and the school that I'm able to go to.
We're thankful for our friends we've met here at Scholars and the volleyball team.
I'm thankful for my cats.
I'm thankful for my family, my friends. I'm very thankful for waking up every day and being surrounded by the people I love.
Thankful for my friends and family.
Me too.
Me 3, me 4. Yay!